into groups that are the same. And after we separate them in groups, we don't take everybody, but we select a simple random sample from each group. And that is stratified sample. And an example is right here. Number 2, systemic sample. Systemic sample. So what is this systemic sample? Let's say, I'm coming back to our example. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, 435 individuals. And let's say I ask you for a number. Please give me a number from 1 through 435. Any number you can think of.
6.
6. So we selected first, oh, that's probably not a good color. First number is 6. Can anyone give me another number?
25.
Very good. Select every 25th after that. How many? Let's say still n equals 5. So I will select number 6. That will be my first. The next one will be 6 plus 25, which is 31. The next one will be 31 plus 25, which is number 56. And I continue like that till I get 5. And this is a systemic sample. This one has nothing to do with a simple random sample. It's systemic. We selected the first one, and we selected every other 25th from number 6. Here's an example in a row of houses. Pick one of them. Pick one. And then at random. And then select every other 5th, for example. Or every other 10th, for example. It's up to you. So this is systemic. Okay, what is a cluster sample? A cluster sample. First, we separate the individuals into clusters, all individuals, into groups or clusters. Step number 2, select a set number of clusters from all of them. And step number 3, sample all of them. All of the members of the individuals of the clusters that you selected. So, sample or study, in other words, all individuals from the clusters selected in item 2, from the groups selected. So here's a very simple example to understand this. Let's suppose there are 25 sections of Math 135. Let's assume. So, Math 135, we have 25 sections. So, these are individuals separated from the entire AACC student population. They're separated from everybody. These are the students who take Math 135. And there are 25 sections. In a random way, like we just looked at random numbers with a calculator, in a random way, let's say we select 5 out of 25. Exactly how we did a few minutes ago. We selected 5 out of 435. Let's say now we select 5 out of 25. So this was step 1. We separated everyone at the college into the group of Math 135. Students would take Math 135. Step number 2, we select 5 out of 25 sections. And in step number 3, I surveyed, or I put in the study all. So I select all individuals. All students have to participate from those 5 sections that I selected out of 25. Select all individuals as part of the study. So this is a cluster sample. Separate the individuals into groups. This is the group. Students who take Math 135. Then select a set number of clusters. This is inside 135. There are sections, 25 sections. Select from that number of sections 5 as an example. Selected 5 out of 25. And number 3, everyone who's taking those 5 sections out of 25, all individuals present, all students present in that class have to participate in the study. That's a cluster. Okay, number 4, last one here, convenient sample. Convenient sample. First thing I want to say about convenient sample that we should always remember, not reliable. Study results. Not reliable. So what's a convenient sample? I think I mentioned that last time, I stand in front of a store and I survey people coming in. I ask them, do you like this or do you like that? Do you, whatever. Ask the first 10 Starbucks customers one morning about their political affiliation. Doesn't mean anything. I can conduct a study, but the results are meaningless. I can't do anything with them. So it's possible, but I have to disclose to you that this is my results, that everybody is against this or against that or like this or like that. I have to disclose to you and tell you, because you will ask me, okay, I see your results, but how did you collect your sample? And if I say I collected a convenient sample, you'll say, oh, okay, fine. Meaningless. Okay, so we have a couple of minutes left. I don't want to start the last section, which is 1.5 of